Mother's Day is coming pretty soon, so today with my lovely girls, my daughter Maya and my mama Halinka, would like to show you how to make super cute and delicious keto mini cheesecakes. So if you are looking for some inspiration for Mother's Day dessert, this recipe is for you. So let's get started. Alright, so my mom will be making the crust and entire recipe, so I will translate it for you. And Maya first will show us what we need for the crust, okay? For the crust we need, Maya, what is this?
Butter.
Yes, right. What is this?
Cream cheese. And flour. Lemon zest.
What is this?
Cream cheese.
Yes.
Keto sugar.
Yeah.
Lemon juice.
Right.
Vanilla extract.
Extract, yes. And
I know. This is my favorite. Celtic sea salt.
Celtic sea salt for?
Flavor enhancer.
Yes, right. So this is the filling, and the last thing we need to make for this recipe is the coconut sauce. And for the sauce we need coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
Everything with coconut. So we have some more sugar, keto sugar.
Some more keto sugar and popcorn.
Alright, so you know guys, so I will pause the recipe below the videos for everything, so you don't need to worry about it. So take a look. And what else we have?
We have
What is this, Maya?
raspberries.
Alright, so Maya was good with explaining what we need, but like I said, all the ingredients will be posted below the video. So you will have also enough time to make the cake before the holiday, before the Mother's Day, or you can even make with your daughter and your mom as well, like I. Alright, so Maya, I need
Or by yourself.
Or by yourself, right. So Maya line the baking pad with liners. I will.
I'm gonna mushroom.
Okay, mushroom. So let's do it together.
It's not getting out.
And these mini cheesecakes are so cute and look so lovely, and of course are very delicious, right, Maya? Right, Maya?
I didn't taste it.
You
though.
tasted last time we did. All right, so
It was kind of good.
okay. All right. So I think it's enough.
That's okay. I gotta go because I need to pick flowers.
All right. Okay. Right. All right. So my mom will show you how to make a crust. So first we're gonna she's going to beat cream cheese with butter and also with the lemon zest. Now we are adding flour.
Wszystko to się wymiesza ładnie.
So she's combining all the ingredients, and then she's going to continue beating the crust. Those cute mini cupcakes are so delicious, really. I promise you, you're gonna love it. My mom will be using the ice cream scoop to make a perfect size, perfect portion of the crust. And like I said in my previous video, I love using ice cream scoop because it's really making the perfect size of any muffins or cheesecakes. So we don't need that many liners. Now my mom is going to make indent in each mini crust, because later on we will fill the crust with cream cheese. Okay, you can use finger like this. Of course I have clean hands. Yeah, the indent doesn't need to be perfect, just need to make this to fill with our cream cheese mixture. Okay, so the crust looks like that. We need to put to the refrigerator for about half an hour to set. Alright, so right now we are making filling, cream cheese filling. My mom is going to beat cream cheese, the rest of remaining cream cheese with keto sweetener. Zatrzymaj, to możesz tylko zawsze sobie zatrzymać. I am going to add lemon juice and vanilla extract, half a teaspoon. 1 egg. And of course we will add our flavor enhancer, Celtic salt. Alright, Mamcia, możesz bić. I love the color. Alright, so little bit more of beating and we're done with filling. Jeszcze raz, Mamcia. Alright, so we will put this to the refrigerator as well, and we make a super delicious coconut sauce. Are you ready? Okay, so right now we are making super delicious coconut sauce, and what we need here is coconut oil. Let me melt this one. And we are using coconut butter. I will also post below the video all the ingredients I use in this recipe. Alright, so I am putting all the ingredients into the pan. And keto sweetener and about 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. So teraz, and we need more lemony flavor. So I will squeeze a little bit more of lemon juice. Alright, so now on the low heat, my mom is whisking and mixing all the ingredients together. The important things here is to whisk, to make sure you whisk all the time while cooking, so the consistency will be very smooth and creamy. Wow, looks so delicious. And this type of sauce you can use even on keto pancakes. We need the consistency to be like that. Alright, so let me check the crust. Alright. This recipe is perfect for any occasion, but like for Mother's Day, I think the combination of raspberry and lemon make a difference. And it's also great for summer party, so your kids gonna love it. Let me know in the comment below the video if you make it. Yummy! Yummy in my tummy.
Kurza twarz, kurza stopka.
Koniec, kropka, kurza stopka.
Wow!
Babcia, mamusia filmu.
Wiem, to był pierwsza klasa, dała Oscara za niego.
Make it a little bit more even on the top, so then we can pour our sauce and put the raspberry on the top. Yumness. Cannot wait to see the final result.
Quickly.
Alright, so this is ready to be in the oven, so we will see you within 18 minutes. Our mini cheesecakes are ready and we cooled them down, so now it's time to pour the sauce and decorate with raspberries. Look at them, how cute they are. Alright Maya, look at them. Don't do this sauce too early because then will be too thick. We had to heat it up a little bit. So Maya, please help me to top the cakes. Wow, nice. We can
I want to.
Okay, I will help you, Maya. Oh, there is no sauce here. Only there was the sauce. Nice. Okay. Alright. Okay. Wow! This is such a cool recipe and I cannot wait for the taste test. Then we need to put them to the refrigerator for to set for sometimes for an hour at least, and they taste best the next day. All right.
Mama.
All right, so look at the beautiful mini keto cheesecake.
Dziękujemy. Nasz team.
Yeah, thank you so much and happy Mother's Day. And Maya, powiedz, subscribe to my
Just
channel.
subscribe to Botanic Life. Like and see us later.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
So yes, if you want to look, if you want to see more recipe like this, please subscribe, like Maya said, to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.